What a roller coaster of events. I still remember last year in November when Aeroplan was hyping up their release of the new Aeroplan program. Everyone had their hopes sky high, and myself included, and I'm still getting flashbacks for when the new Aeroplan program was announced. It was a little bit disappointing to say the least. Some of these offers were so bad compared to the previous one that when it was leaked by someone on Reddit, right before the official release, people actually went ahead and applied for the previous offer before the release so that they can get it before the November 8th deadline, which is the new offer, which they thought was not very good. For example, the Visa Infinite line of cards across CIBC and TD saw a dramatic decrease in points to 10,000 Aeroplan points as the sign-up bonus. Sure, you get a buddy pass. However, compared to the normals, which is around 20k to 25k points, that's a big difference. And from the reactions and the feedbacks that the community has been giving back, it seems that Air Canada have noticed that and they have maybe overvalued their buddy pass a little bit too much. It seems that TD and CIBC have learned their lesson, and for the first quarter of 2021 they have upped their offers dramatically, which is available right now at the time of this video. And so in this video, I'll walk you through all of those offers and then I'll compare them to the previous offer in the last quarter, and then I'll give you my thoughts as well on these offers. And I think that right now is one of the best time to rack up points because most of us are stuck at home, so might as well just rack up points for when travel does open. You just have a bunch of points sitting there ready to go. Welcome back if you're returning, and if you're new, my name is Tony, and on this channel we focus on personal finance. We upload every single week on content just like this one, so if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe with the bell, and a huge favor is to smash that like button, because what then happens is YouTube will notice you like these kinds of videos. They will show you more kinds of videos like this, and vice versa. They will actually show this video to more people as well, so they can benefit as well. So with that being said, let's get into the content. Just like before, I'll go over the cards tier by tier, and I won't go too in depth on the actual multipliers and the benefits and stuff like that because I've covered that in the previous videos. So I'll link everything as well as a full guide on the new Aeroplan program down in the description below. In today's video, we're just going to talk about the sign-up bonuses. For those of you that are new to the Aeroplan program, I'll make it easy for you guys. Aeroplan points are valued at an average of 2 cents per point, so I'll leave that on screen. Starting with the entry-level cards, the TD version of the card gets you 10,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase and another 10,000 after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months on the card. The annual fee is waived for the first year. Compared to the old offer in Q4, it was just 10,000 Aeroplan points with the fee waiver, which is a difference of 10,000 Aeroplan points. About a $200 increase in value. The entry-level card at CIBC, one of the 2 cards that did not change, just a flat 10,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase, and this is the only card in the entire Aeroplan lineup that does not have an annual fee. As entry-level credit cards, I think these are very good offers, especially the TD Visa Platinum, because it has a sign-up bonus of total of 20,000 Aeroplan points. That's a $400 in value, and that's kind of unseen for this card, especially when it usually hovers around the 10,000 point mark. So if you are thinking about getting into Aeroplan, and especially if you don't meet the income requirement of the next card that we will be talking about, the Visa Infinite, then it's a good time to jump on this card. Alternatively, as for CIBC, you can't ever go wrong with 10,000 free points, especially if it's a free card, and not to mention they even have a version for students on this card. Moving on to the Infinite tier of cards, the TD card is up from 10,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase and a buddy pass after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months to 10,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase, and in addition to the buddy pass after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months, you also get 10,000 Aeroplan points for a total of 20,000 Aeroplan points. The annual fee will be waived for the first year, and again, that's a $200 increase in value here. Over at CIBC, it seems that they have taken the hint and gotten tired of getting slapped in the face by TD offers. over the last quarter and have sweetened the deal to 10,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase and 10,000 Aeroplan points with a buddy pass after spending $1,000 in the first 4 months instead of 3 offered by TD. The annual fee is also waived for the first year. Now this is a dramatic increase from the last Q4, this offer versus the last offer. 10,000 Aeroplan points, which is huge, a $200 increase in value. And again, if you do meet the income requirements, I would think the Visa Infinite cards are a lot better than the entry-level cards, since you do get that buddy pass, and that's assuming you do get value out of the buddy pass. And for those of you who don't know what it is, it's essentially a buy one get one free voucher. As for myself, I do think the CIBC version of this offer is pretty strong, and I will probably be jumping on that. And as for TD, I'll see, and I'll most likely be jumping on that as well, but I'll keep you guys updated. As for the Visa Infinite Privilege tier of cards, the TD has the same offer as the last quarter with 20,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase and 30,000 Aeroplan points plus a buddy pass after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. The annual fee is $599, which is not waived, and I do think this is a very strong offer, hence they did not change it this quarter. Over at CIBC, they are offering 20,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase, 25,000 Aeroplan points after spending at least $3,000 in the first 4 months, and for the first 12 months of card membership, you get an additional 2,500 points for each month you spend more than $2,000. There is a $599 annual fee on this card, which is not waived. Now, the CIBC did come up with a better offer than before. However, compared to the TD, I think it's still lacking, because in order for you to hit the 75,000 Aeroplan points, the full bonus, you still have to spend like $24,000 in the first year, and I just don't think that's feasible for most people, especially with regular everyday spends. Now on the TD card, the other hand, you get 50,000 points and you get a buddy pass, and with that, it's only $1,000 worth of spending limit, and those $23,000, think about how many other credit card sign-up bonuses you can get with that. On the small business side, the TD business is offering 10,000 Aeroplan points upon first purchase and 15,000 Aeroplan points plus a buddy pass after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. This is quite a large amount, which is understandable though, since it is a business credit card. With the TD business, it does come with an annual fee waiver as well for the first year. Compared to the previous offer, it was just 10,000 Aeroplan points plus a buddy pass. However, the minimum spend requirement was $4,000 lower at only $1,000 in the first 3 months. So with the new offer, it does give you a higher point sign-up bonus, but then it also requires you to spend more out of pocket towards other things. CIBC is offering 10,000 Aeroplan points after the first purchase and 10,000 Aeroplan points after spending $3,000 in the first 4 months plus a buddy pass. This also comes with an annual fee rebate for the first year. This is obviously up from their previous offer, which is not very good, only 10,000 Aeroplan points plus a buddy pass, and the spending is the same, so you're literally getting more points for spending the same amount. Out of these offers, we have a lot higher and a lot better offer compared to the last quarter. Again, I do think now is the best time to rack up points and miles, because we are stuck at home. I mean, what else to do to rack up points and miles for when travels do open again? You don't want to be starting collecting points and miles after travels open. You want to have a huge collection of points ready to go right when, travel reopens, right? And also, if you are looking into these, I would highly suggest you to look into Aeroplan as a program, because it's one of the best, if not the best program here in Canada available to Canadians for traveling around the world. And I have so many resources on this channel for you guys in case you're not familiar with this topic. So I have a full guide and all the cards linked down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and wait, before you go, make sure you subscribe with the bell if you already made it this far to see more content like this uploading every single week. And also make sure you smash that like button, because what then happens is YouTube will show you more content like this, and vice versa, they will show this video to more people as well. Lastly, comment down below and let me know if you're gonna jump into any one of these offers. Let me know down in the comments below, and as always, have an amazing day. Peace.